Hey guys, it's been an awfully warm week here in Kentucky, but we're not actually staying in Kentucky. We're going to be heading back north-ish to Indiana. And where in Indiana are we going, Deanna?
Follow the river RV Park. It's right on the Ohio River.
Passing by the Kentucky Speedway. Getting closer to the Indiana-Kentucky border up here. Going to be crossing the Ohio River. Hey Deanna.
Yeah.
Where are we headed to today?
Clifty Falls State Park in Indiana.
Okay, let's go. And all along this drive today, we're pretty much following the Ohio River to Madison, Indiana, where Clifty Falls State Park resides. I don't use the word like resides very often. So it is quite the warm day today, so we left Blaze back in the RV to feel the comfort of the air conditioning while we're out hiking and getting sweaty. So since he's getting older, we're not really taking any chances with him anymore. We really want him to stay comfortable. Even though he'd rather be with us right now, we'd rather him stay away from heat stroke, basically.
Yesterday was his 11th birthday, so he's definitely not capable of doing as much as he used to.
Clifty Falls State Park. $7. We can handle that. All right, guys. So we made it to Clifty Falls State Park here in Indiana, and this is the first time I've ever been here. First time you've been here.
Yep.
My mom's been here, but we're gonna go check this out. I think there's like 4 or 5 falls, or 3 or 4 falls that we can walk to. So hopefully we have enough time to go check them all out. So like I said, we came in the north gate. We parked in this parking area, and we're gonna go check out these falls. It looks like Clifty Falls is right around here, so that is Trail 8, and there's also Little Clifty Falls over there. And if we hike along there, maybe 7 to 6, we can go check out Tunnel Falls as well. Sound good?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's go conquer this trail. On Trail 7, I feel like you can already hear the falls down there.
Yeah.
Doesn't sound like raging rapids, but I can definitely hear it. So here's kind of the map here. There's Clifty Falls where we're at right now, Little Clifty Falls, Tunnel Falls, and Hoffman Falls. We'll at least head up these 3. We'll see if we can get down to Hoffman Falls as well today. What goes down must go up. Or I guess it's the other way around. And no hikers beyond this point. I don't know if there used to be a trail going around there or not. Pretty cool falls. I don't know if you can really see it on the GoPro here with the contrast. Cake Rock. Doesn't look very edible to me. Pretty cool area. Hiking in and around these valleys. I'm guessing this is Little Clifty Falls. Yeah, watch out for these steps here. I think it's shale. Seems like the layered rocks. And down here. Probably see the falls themselves a little bit better on the other side. This is a really cool park. Not very busy today either, surprisingly, for how neat it is. All these different rock formations are really neat. Looks like some more falls right here. So this must be Lookout Point. Yep, see the falls off in the distance. That's pretty cool. It is a bit of a rocky trail in some portions and a lot of exposed roots, so wearing sandals probably isn't the best choice, but we didn't know what to expect. We didn't really come prepared, but so far we haven't jammed any toes. Deanna always wears her sandals.
I try to be careful.
She tries to be careful. So you can see it is kind of rugged through here. Makes it a little bit more challenging with sandals on, but we do have some pretty nice sandals. Not your ordinary flip-flops you buy from Walmart. Anna wears these Zero sandals. I think I actually made a review on that at one point. And I'm wearing these new Teva sandals. Both of them have pretty good traction on the bottom of them, and they hold your feet secure because they have multiple straps so they aren't sliding around as you're walking, even when they get wet. So far they seem to work on terrain like this. Now if it was super rocky and we had to do rock scrambling and stuff, I would probably prefer boots or shoes. Probably some shoes so it allows some flexibility, but these sandals are working well for this terrain. And I deem these Shane Falls. Okay, water's not really moving. Trail 6 kind of hugs the road over here, but slowly making our way down to Tunnel Falls. So I made the mistake of thinking Trail 6 ran through the Trail 5 through Twin Falls or Tunnel Falls, whatever they're called. But instead we're hiking along the road here to get to the other side. That way we can complete this loop rather than having to hike all the way back down 6 again. All right, so we made the loop around the road and we're at the Tunnel Falls Trail 5. So we're gonna go check out these Tunnel Falls. And just in case you're curious, the tunnel is closed seasonally. It's closed from November 1st through April 30th, or it's open from May 1st to October 31st. It is a bat habitat, so I guess they're trying to conserve that area.
But the sign back there said they have white nose syndrome, so that you're supposed to take proper precautions afterwards to clean off your shoes before going in another cave.
Yep, just like the other cave systems we've been. What were the other caves we've been to? We've been to Wind Cave, Mammoth Cave, and Cathedral Caverns?
Yeah, Cathedral.
Yeah.
I think all of them had white nose, right?
Yeah, I think all of them had white nose
Maybe
syndrome.
not Cathedral.
I don't remember washing my feet at Cathedral,
Yeah,
so
we
maybe
didn't.
not. And we made it to Tunnel Falls. So this Trail 5 actually meets up with Trail 8, and Trail 8 will take us all the way back around the park to the parking lot. I think we still have quite a bit to see between here and there though.
We're like halfway.
Yeah, we're only about halfway. Plus there's a bunch of places in the southern part of this park we haven't even seen yet. Look at this zigzagging path here. Going up and down. And all around. Oh, there's a step there. Did not see that one. Look at these cool rocks over here. Kind of reminds me of Connecticut a little bit. A lot of the trails we took out there.
Yeah.
Well, without flashlights, we'll see how far we go. Gotta get the light out. Gotta get my flashlight out. If I was a foot shorter, I'd be set. Saw that go by, you see it? This is 10 miles long, by the way, so I hope you're... Starting to see the light at the end of the tunnel here. Definitely bring a flashlight if you want to do this, because you can't see the light all the way through. Didn't know you were going to do this today, did you? So we did our splunking in Indiana so far. Here I got all excited. It's actually a man-made tunnel through here, but it's still a pretty cool tunnel. There's Deanna Falls right there. Nice little trickle. I have fun. I'm got to wash my legs pretty well. Pretty sure I've been walking through some poison ivy here. And just like many adventures, we did take a wrong turn somewhere. And I don't think this is an actual path. But we're making that path and it's pretty neat. I just hope it's fairly obvious where that next turn is. There we go, Trail 2, Trail 5. This Trail 2 pretty much goes through this creek the entire way. Kind of makes it more fun. I see some people up there. Through or around? When Deanna gives me a choice. So we made it to Trail 8. Even if we got slightly lost for a second. It's always easy to follow the river once you find the river. Put our survival instincts to test. Or we're just inside a state park. So back there it says Trail to 8. Was not maintained at all. It was pretty much covered in brush. So we're gonna have to check ourselves for ticks after this. But I think this is where you actually are supposed to get up the Trail 8 over here. Yeah. So we could have just hiked through the creek. I don't know why they had two different ways to go to Trail 8. Going from 2 to Trail 8. Pretty good workout, huh? Yeah. Whew. Hooray, Southern Indiana hills. So we made it up that steep incline to get back up on the ridge line. And now we're gonna take 8 all the way back to the parking lot. We got some more falls coming down here. Smaller ones, but falls nonetheless. One last creek crossing for the day. Pretty intense. Oh no, Deanna almost got swept away. All right guys, running out of GoPro battery, so I'm gonna sign off here. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos like it. You can also check us out at
dnsadventures.com.
And as always,
adventure on.
Return of a Giant.